आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is MC0 plus MC1 minus MC2 minus MC3 plus MC4 plus MC5 minus MC6 minus MC7. This series goes up to infinite and the value is equal to 0. If and only if for some positive integer k, then what is the value of m? We are having 4 options. We have to calculate the answer and then take which of the following option is the correct option. Now consider cos theta plus iota sine theta to the power m. So what will be the expansion? Expansion would be mc naught cos theta minus mc1 cos m minus 1 theta. It would be cos m theta here. Theta into iota sine theta. And this series goes up to mcm minus iota sine theta to the power m. Let it be equation number 1. Now, considering this was for cos theta minus iota sine theta, this expansion for the minus. Now, I'm considering cos theta plus iota sine theta to the power m. So that would be equal to mc naught cos raised to the power m theta plus basically all the terms would be positive. So mc 1 cos raised to the power m minus 1 theta iota sine theta, all the terms would be positive and this will go up to mcm iota sine theta to the power m. Let it be equation number 2. Now I'll be adding equation 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, what I get? I'll be getting 2 cos m theta is equal to this term, these terms like negative and positive would be cancelled, rest would be twice. So I'm taking 2 common and that would be mc naught cos raised to the power m theta minus mc2 cos to the power m minus 2 theta iota, it must have been iota square sine square iota square sine square theta, but iota square is equal to minus 1, so I'm taking that common and that's why it is minus here. So it would be sine theta and this series go up to like that. Let it be equation number 3. Now this is after addition. Now after subtraction, so subtracting 1 and 2. So subtracting 1 and 2 get, so we will be left with 2 iota sine m theta. 2 iota sine m theta is equal to 2 iota. I'm taking common. Inside it would be mc1 cos of m minus 1 theta minus mc3 cos raised to the power m minus 3 theta sine cube theta. Cube theta. Iota have taken common and iota square is equal to minus 1. So that minus I've taken here. And likewise, this will be proceeding. Let it be equation number 4. So now what I'll be doing here is that I'll be adding equation 3 and 4 again. So adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. So this 2 will be taken common and this will be cancelled with this 2 and I'm writing down the final result. So that would be cos m theta plus sine m theta. So that would be equal to, so that is equal to mc0 cos raised to the power m theta plus mc1 cos raised to the power m minus 1 theta into iota sine theta minus mc2 cos raised to the power m minus 2 theta sine square theta. I've taken iota square as minus 1, so I've taken its outside, and similarly like that, this minus mc3 cos raised to the power m minus 3 theta sine cube theta, and this series goes like this. Now, what is in it? It also implies root 2 sine m theta plus pi by 4. It is equal to mc0 cos of m theta plus mc1 cos raised to the power m minus 1 theta iota sine theta minus mc2 cos raised to the power m minus 2 theta sine square theta minus mc3 cos raised to the power m minus 3 theta sine cube theta, and likewise. So if I'll be putting theta equal to pi by 4, then what I get? I get root 2 sine m plus 1 into pi by 4, that would be equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power m by 2. We'll be left with mc0 plus mc1 minus mc2 minus mc3. So this thing plus mc4, this is mc4 plus mc5 minus mc6 minus mc7 plus, and this thing goes up to, I'm writing the last 4 terms, that is mcm minus 3 plus mcm minus 2. It would be minus here, so it would be minus mc m minus 1 minus mcm, this thing. Now we can say hence m minus 1 is equal to 4k for the given quantity to be 0. Therefore, what is the value of m? I can write m is equal to 4k. It is m plus 1 equal to 4k. So it is 4k minus 1, where k belongs to natural number. Now let us have a look at the options. It's 4k minus 1. It means that option C is the correct answer. I hope this explanation is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।